Hi there gun friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay Nikajeb. Today we're going to talk about how to swiftly and easily remove a Glock slide if you happen to forgot to put back the spring while assembling your gun, or the worst, you forgot to put back the spring and the barrel while assembling your gun together. Okay, so that's a very nice topic, and I think that's a pretty much common occurrence, especially for all those who are new gun owners. Trying to put back the gun together and they forgot to put back the piece together in proper order. So that's the thing we're going to talk about today, and I hope you will like this video. So just hang around and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Now, in order for me to be able to demonstrate properly how to remove a Glock slide if you forgot to put back the spring and the barrel into your gun while assembling it, I have to use my everyday carry weapon, which is Glock 19. All right, but before anything else, let's make sure that the gun is safe. Remove the magazine. I always love to rack the slide a couple of times and check the barrel to make sure that there's no bullet in there lodged, and then it's empty. Point it to a safe direction and pull the trigger. Okay, the next part is to disassemble this gun so that we can remove the slide, remove the spring and the barrel inside, as if we're about to clean it. All right, this is the spring, or most commonly known as the recoil spring. This is the barrel, and this is the slide. And now, as if we're done cleaning it, we're putting it back together. Okay guys, to be honest with you, this happened to me more than once, that I forgot to put my recoil spring back into the gun while I was assembling it. So I'm going to show you exactly what's going to happen to your gun if you forgot to put the recoil back spring in, and I will also show you how to remove your slide back out, safely remove it, okay, without destroying your gun. Alright, let's assemble our gun together. Put your barrel in, and then let's leave that out and put the slide back into your gun, and voila, this is what's going to happen to your gun right there. Okay, now you will not be able to remove the slide anymore, and there's no way for you to be able to remove the slide. Now when these things happen, you cannot use this and do this at the same time because the recoil spring is not there anymore. So now you'll be in panic mode. Don't do anything crazy or stupid to your gun. Don't damage your gun whatsoever, because what I'm about to show you will save you hundreds of dollars in repairs. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what's going to do and exactly what you're going to do in order for you to be able to remove your slide safely without destroying your gun. Okay, if that thing happens that you forgot to put your recoil spring back in. So first step is, what you're going to do is push your slide, not push, but pull your slide lock lever down first, and then push your slide forward, and then pull the trigger, and voila, it comes out pretty easy, and it did not damage your gun, and it's safe. All right, so that's how you remove your slide if you forgot to put your recoil spring back into your gun while assembling it. And now let's move on to solution number 2 on how to remove a Glock slide if you forgot to replace back in your barrel and your recoil spring while assembling your gun together. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly what's going to happen. I'm going to show you exactly what to do in order to safely remove your slide without destroying your gun if you forgot to place back in your barrel and your recoil spring. Now, for some crazy and stupid reason, you suddenly decided and experimented to put your slide back in without those two together. Now, what's going to happen is that it's going to be like this. Now, you cannot remove the slide anymore, and you will not be able to use this one again because there's no spring in there to help it out and to easily facilitate the removal of the slide. Now again, don't panic when this thing happens, okay? Do not do crazy and stupid things to destroy your gun, because what I'm about to show you is very simple, and it's not going to destroy your gun. It will save you thousands and hundreds of dollars in repairs, all right? Now, if this thing happens that you forgot to put back in your barrel and your recoil spring, what you are going to do is pretty simple. All you have to do is push your slide forward and make sure that your trigger is engaged forward. All right. Now, once you push it forward, the slide forward, pull the trigger back in like this. And that will simply release your slide in a very safely manner without destroying your gun. All right. Now, that's it for today. I was able to answer you both questions. Now, let's put this gun back together and make sure that this thing works. All right. And it worked. Voila. All right, gun friends, that's it for today. And to all those new gun owners out there, I hope that answered your questions and I hope you learned something today. And to all those new to my channel, please do subscribe and tell your friends about it. It's me again, your friend Janie Kujev, saying to you all, thank you for your support, and I'll hope to see you again sometime. Stay cool, stay relaxed, and have a great gun day.